Hey guys, we received this man boxer set for test and try. So this is a pack of three, and you can see this comes in a vacuum packed one, and they are the pack of three XL size. So let me just open up this and show it to you. So you can see like there's a gray color, black and blue. So I have a good elastic thing here, elastic band, soft and comfortable fabric. So it's a moisture wiping fabric and breathable fabric here, cotton. And then also you can see this elastic band is super comfortable and do not have any mark or things. So these are really comfortable boxers for men, and these have this opening as well. So the nice color and fabric, so it's a black one, and this the sky blue one. So a good boxer, three pack set for men's, brief for undergarments, comfortable and easily washable with breathable and soft fabric. Hope you like this as well.